Alright, we're getting ready to take a little walk down here and see what's going on. Since we had all the rain here Monday. More rain coming on Wednesday night into Thursday. I'm about over the rain. But I guess the good Lord knows we need it. This is wild. Right over there is the neighbors. I'll show you more about it in a minute. I'm going to check out the woods down here where I'm at. Now, and when all the ducks. Woohoo! Check that out. Right over by the picnic table area, the beavers have been cutting at my tree. Partially water in here is from the beavers, and the rain's been coming in. Holy crap. It's over the banks again. Wow. Alright, let's take a little walk down here and check out the neighbors. This opening right here is between me and the neighbors, so we can get access to it down here when we need to. Wow. Right there where that water sits at, between here and that tree over there, that big tree over there. Right over here, this big tree right here. And that's about 1.5 feet of water there. And then when you start going on down this way, it gets deeper and deeper as it goes. We're lucky we might get the ducks in it. Yeah, there's some ducks down there. There they are. Right here where this tree's at right here. Right there where that's at. There's about 2 foot of water right there in that spot right there. And then it goes off into the bank right there where that tree's at. And there's another big tree right there. And it's right there on the bank. Oh, got a ball out there floating in the water. That's a mulberry tree right there. A great big one right there is a mulberry tree with a sycamore growing with it. On down, on around the bend there is a beaver dam, and they've got it up to 5 foot high. The dam is all the way across there. They've had to come in and destroy it 3 times this year, and they keep coming back and redoing it. It's pretty cool. Alright, I figured I'd give a video what's going on, and I'd say it'll be up even more. The water will be. I'd say it'll probably come on up another foot or 2. And maybe up here in the yard before it's over with. Because right here, it's a manhole cover. They do a clean out, and it's not far from it. Alright, you guys have a good day. God bless.